last item. Please be a winner. Please be a winner. All right. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Can you guys believe that it is literally almost 2 weeks before Christmas? Like, holy smokes, you guys. Where has this year gone by? Like, is it just me? I mean, maybe it's just me because I had a baby at the beginning of the year and have been dealing with him all year long. And oh my gosh, you guys, he is turning 10 months old today. Like, all right, enough about that. Let's talk about today's video. So we're gonna be unboxing this right here, which is the Lunar Beauty half moon box. So they had 3 different sizes. They had the crescent moon, the half moon, and the full moon. I think I have that right. I'm gonna list it right up here. So when I looked at each of them and how much the box was versus how much was gonna be in the box, I felt like the middle box tier was the most bang for your buck. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I don't know if there's like another box inside of it or what's going on. So yeah, no, there's not. There it is. All the stuff is right there. So let's go ahead and just dig on into this thing. So the first item it looks like we have is sweatpants. So I'm gonna say I was a little bit aggravated at the fact, now they did say they were gonna have merch and it could be hats or pants or shirts or whatever, but I wear a different size pants than I wear shirts. So I wish they would have gave you the option when you checked out, because these look like they're gonna be ginormous on me. But I guess we're gonna find out here in a minute. But I do like the little half moon thing, and worst case scenario, these are gonna be some really, really comfy, I'm never gonna leave home in these pants. You know what I'm saying? Like the Walmart shopping pants. You guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so we're gonna set those right there and we're gonna move on. Like, really, Manny? Really? Now, again, I knew there was gonna be Manny merch in there, but it's just what I always wanted. A shirt with Manny's face on it. Like, really, Manny? Okay, let's see what we got going on here. So yeah, we got the moon on the back. I can handle the moon, but his face over my tit, I don't know about that. Don't know about that. This might be going to my daughter because she's a big Manny MUA fan. Again though, just for fun, we're gonna try it on. All right, so the next item in here is a little bag. Boy, they are really doing the merch up, aren't they? When they said there was gonna be merch in this, like there was not, there might be merch in this, it was, there's gonna be merch in there. Like a lot of merch. All right, so it looks like we have, if I can get it open, a little, looks like maybe a little moon necklace. Let's see. Like, I just would like to point out that like that packaging was horrible. I mean, this was literally inside this little bag, and I mean, do you guys see this? Like, this is how it just came out of the bag right here. All right, give me a second. Okay, I got it undone. I just would like to tell you guys, if you did not know, I am like the queen, and I mean the queen, at getting jewelry, you know, unknotted and stuff. So I do like the necklace. It is really cute, even though, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it says Manny very, very, very tiny, and I mean very tiny, on the bottom here of the moon. I'll try to take a close-up of it so you guys can see it. But other than that, totally down. Not that I have a problem with Manny. I'm just not a fan. I'm just not a big fan. I watch some of his videos here and there. It's just, you know, it's not like something like Jeffree Star. You know what I mean? If it was Jeffree Star, I'd be all over it. All right. So the next item here we have is the Lunar Beauty. I don't know what. It doesn't really say. Of course, it's got Manny's signature. It's a highlight powder. So let's go ahead. This is the first makeup item that we have in this box. I actually really like this like packaging thing here. This is really awesome. Not the biggest fan of this little, I don't know what here, but I like the outer carton packaging. Very, very, very nice. I really like that too. Do you guys see that? Ooh, that's pretty. So very pretty. Oh, heck no. Okay, so this is not going to be something I'm going to be keeping. This will go in a giveaway because I could not ever wear this. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Sorry, I'm trying not to catch the light there, but it's got like a little cellophane thing on there. I'm not going to take that off because obviously I am not keeping this. There is no way that I would ever be able to wear this in my lifetime or the next. So this is going to definitely go in a giveaway as soon as I figure out how to put it back in this packaging here. Yeah, we'll figure that out later. All right. Oh, we have another makeup item. So what is this? Okay, it's Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick, and it is in the color Aphrodite. Please don't be a red. Oh my God, please don't be a red. Please be something that I can wear. Please be something that I can wear, because have you guys noticed that every box is putting a red in their mystery boxes? Like every box is putting a red in their mystery boxes. Like, holy cow. Oh, okay. So that is going in a giveaway. And it stinks too, because I really, really, really wanted to try Lunar Beauty's lipsticks. But I just have so many reds, and I'm getting so many reds. All right, last item. Please be a winner. Please be a winner. All right. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I was like, please be anything but the Manny MUA palette. Yay. Okay. I was like, I don't own one Lunar Beauty palette, you guys. So I've really, really, really been wanting to try their eyeshadow palettes. But I was like, please be any palette but the Manny MUA, because it's just like the only one. I mean, it's pretty, and of course I would use it, and because of course I want to try it out. But it's just the one that kind of, I don't know, that I just didn't really want. Like, I wanted anyone but that one. Just, I don't know, maybe it was just so colorful, or I don't know. But I'm really, really happy it was this one and not that one. So at least this box is not a complete bust. Yay, yay. Ah, this makes me happy, you guys. This makes me happy. Okay, now, I really, really want to try this eyeshadow palette, and this honestly could not have been the most perfect palette for me, because for those of you guys that don't know, I have a huge, huge thing, and I mean huge, me and my daughter both do, for the Greek gods and goddesses, and especially the story of Medusa. So I almost bought this palette. I can't even tell you how many times, but I didn't, and I'm so glad that I didn't. So I'm really happy to have this. Okay, so I really want to try this on, but I want to try this other stuff on. So let's do a try on. I feel like I've been trying on a ton of clothes for you guys here lately. All right, let's talk about the shirt first. So obviously you guys already know how I feel about this being where it is. But aside from that, the actual material of the shirt is super nice. It's like that super awesome, amazing, perfect t-shirt material. You guys know what I'm talking about. I talked about it in the last video. So anyways, aside from that, I like this little thing. I like the feeling of the shirt. I'm really surprised that this is a medium though. Like, I don't know how this would fit a man who wanted a man medium, because this is really like a woman's medium. You know what I'm saying? So maybe they were, I don't know, fitting it that way. I don't know. All right, let's talk about the pants. So obviously these are definitely a medium. I do like the fact that it has pockets in it. So normally when my pants or sweatpants are too big, I just take them and roll them up, and voila, they fit perfectly. Now, aside from them being a little too big, I will show you guys this right here. And even if I unroll them back down, there's not a lot of leg length You guys see this? Like, not a lot of leg length at all. So if you have short little stubby legs like me, you're good. But if you have long legs, you might have issues with these pants. So that's the only thing I'm going to say there. But other than that, I mean, you guys, these pants are super, super comfy. So I'll give them that all day long. And yeah, this is my new Walmart shopping outfit right here, folks. Okay. So again, because I have never ever tried a Lunar Beauty palette, I just want to very quickly test this palette out because I've heard a lot of mixed reviews, you guys. So this first color that I am putting on right here is called Artemis. And I don't know how I feel about it yet. I don't know how I feel about it. I will say it is far more pigmented than what I thought. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of this Clio and I'm just gonna put this on my Sigma E40 and just kind of blend out the edges. Holy cow, like, did you see how, I mean, like, did you guys just see that? So big points for blendability. Big points for blendability there. I'm shocked. I am shocked. There's not very many eyeshadows that shock me, you guys. So I would just like to point that out. But that shocked me. Maybe I need to look into Lunar Beauty. I mean, like, I almost got the Strawberry Dream palette, and I really came close to getting this palette and then the strawberry one. And I almost got, what was that last one? The one with the hand on it, the Moon Spell palette. I almost got that one too, but I don't know. I can't remember why I didn't. I think the reason I didn't with the Moon Spell is because somebody told me that they got it and it just, like, they basically got it for the packaging, which is kind of why I was wanting it. Like, the packaging is really what I was wanting for, so I'm not gonna lie. I'm a big old Halloween geek, and I really like that kind of stuff, so I was really after it for the packaging. But I have to say that this palette right here, like, holy smokes, you guys. All right, so I'm going to grab my Sigma E25, and I'm really curious about these shimmer shades. Again, I've never used one of their palettes. Okay, so let's go into... All right, let's go into the Celine. So let's dig into this Celine and let's see how well it picks up on a brush. Oh my gosh. Guys. Holy cow. I'm floored. Like, floored. I mean, I knew that Lunar Beauty was good, but oh my God. Like, I'm not gonna say that this is Jeffree Star good, because I would be lying. But this is pretty dang good, you guys. This might be a new favorite palette for me. For sure. Oh my gosh. I mean, I would just like to point out that if you have wrinkles or creasing in your eyes, you want a Lunar Beauty palette. Like, this is just smoothing everything away. Just like swipe, swipe, gone. I mean, normally shimmer shades will sink into everything and they show off everything. But this, oh my gosh. Oh my. What just happened? All right, so here's where we really tell. Here's where it really is. Let's, okay, let's get into another shimmer shade. Let's try this Iris. It's just calling my name. It is so gorgeous. Like, do you guys see this? Oh my gosh, look at this. Are you ready? I mean, just gorgeousness. Okay, all right, so we're gonna get on a little bit smaller brush. And we're gonna put that right here, and we're gonna see how they lay down on top of each other. I mean, oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I know that I could have bought this palette for a lot less than what I paid for this box, but honestly, this palette made it completely worth it for me. I mean, because the lipstick, I've got so many reds. Like, really, you guys, you could have done anything but a red. Everybody's doing reds. I mean, seriously. But this palette right here, oh, this is magical. I mean, this is just so magical. I'm gonna be playing in this thing all night long. Like, all night long. Ooh, I kind of want to get into another color. Okay, I'm gonna get into this Hera. Ooh, it's so goldeny and just, are they all like that? I mean, that's just really what I want to know. Oh my God, they are. They are. Oh, this is gorgeous, just gorgeous. I mean, like, no wonder Manny loves Lunar Beauty as much as he does. I mean, the man knows his makeup. I mean, seriously, he really does. He knows his makeup. Nobody can deny that, but oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. All right, you guys, I gotta put it down. I gotta put it down or I'm not gonna stop because, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just gotta show it to you one more time. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna have so much fun in this thing. This is gonna be like my new centerpiece. I'm just so happy with it. All right, you guys, so let's do a recap and give you my final thoughts on this box. Okay, so obviously we have the Manny MUA shirt, which I mean, like, really, I'm just saying, it is a really comfortable shirt, though. Honestly, it is a really, really comfortable shirt, and my daughter's probably gonna steal it from me, just being honest, okay? So the necklace itself, actually really like. I don't care that it's got Manny's name on it because it's like tiny, and I don't care. I really like little moons and things like that. I like the stars. I love astronomy, so I really do like the necklace. The sweatpants, I love the fact that they have pockets in them. I love the fact that they're pink. I love the little moon on them, even though they're a little big. It's all right. These are gonna be like my new house pants right here. So I'm really, was kind of a little upset that I got a medium at first, but now I'm kind of happy that I got a medium because, again, I just rolled the top up. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. The palette, you guys already know how I feel about this. This right here is magic. Now, the red lipstick and the highlighter. All right, so let's talk about the lipstick. I wish they would have put any color but a red in there. Their packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm really sad because I really wanted to try this lipstick out, but I just have so many reds, you guys. And I mean, like, every box is putting reds in there. I don't know what's going on. I mean, I know it's the holidays and everything, but I mean, can we possibly think outside the box? I mean, you could have put a gold in there, a gloss, anything, but a red, I mean, I just feel like it's kind of cliche. Maybe it's just me. As far as the highlighter goes, I mean, if it would have been any other color but this, I would have loved it. I really would have loved it. I mean, it was a nice try, A for effort, but I just could never wear that color if my life depended on it. I could not wear that color. So altogether, I feel like the box was definitely worth it. You're definitely getting your money's worth for sure. But hey guys, editing Alex here. So as I was editing this video, I realized that my box value only came to $187 and it was supposed to have a $220 value. So I will definitely be emailing Lunar Beauty about this. Depending on whether or not it is worth it to you, I guess depends on whether or not you really like Manny MUA, because you're going to get a lot of Manny merch for sure. A little bit of makeup, a lot of Manny merch, but it was definitely $70 or over $70 worth of products. So I just feel like maybe it should have just been a little more makeup, but maybe that's just me. I don't know. Let me know down below. What did you guys think all in all of this box? Did you purchase one? Do you wish you would have purchased one? Are you glad you didn't purchase one? Let me know your guys' thoughts. And tomorrow we have yet another mystery box, which I am really excited to get ready to film for you guys. So until then, I will see you next time. Love ya. Bye.